How to stop recurring payment on Axis Bank. Now, first things first, everything is actually can be doable on you're using your mobile app. Now, if you're using your mobile app, all you have to do is to go to the menu, and before you go to the menu, you'll have to log into your account first, and then after that, you'll have to go to Bill Pay. Now, once you're on Bill Pay, go to Manage Billers. Now, once you're in Manage Billers, you'll just have to find the biller you wanted the recurring payment to be stopped, and then just tap Disable Autopay or Delete Biller if available. Now, the other thing that you can do is just access your account again using the mobile app and then go to payments and then after that go to manage billers and then find the biller and then select disable autopay or delete biller if available again. Now, if none of those steps are working for you, then there will be specific Access Bank customer care hotline numbers right here. Just you can go ahead and take it write this down, or you can also visit accessbank.com's website. So this is gonna be their mobile number, or I'm not sure if this is a mobile or a telephone. You'll just have to take note of this, and then you'll just have to call this number if you're having any issues on stopping the recurring payment or the auto pay. So that's it. That's how you stop a recurring payment on Access Bank.